Start. The legality of a part of a tariff notification issued by the Kerala State Electricity Regulatory Commission segregating self-financing educational institutions from government run and government added private educational institutions and subjecting the former to a higher category of tariff is the only question involved in this batch of appeals. The notification to that effect was issued by the Commission on 26 November 2007 bearing order number TP 23 and TP 30 of 2007. Such tariff was to take effect from 1st December 2007. SFEs have been categorized under the head Law Tension 7th A Commercial in that notification. The government run or added private educational institutions have been placed under Law Tension 4th Non-Domestic Tariff category. The Commission is the appellant before us in this set of appeals. Such tariff notification was published in terms of Kerala State Electricity Regulatory Commission terms and conditions of determination of tariff for distribution and retail sale of electricity under MOIT Framework Regulations 2006. Several writ petitions came to be filed by different SFEs questioning legality of such segregating, which in effect created a higher tariff regime for them. Altogether, 52 writ petitions were taken up for hearing by a learned single judge of the Kerala High Court, the first court. The learned single judge found the tariff order to be valid, relying on a decision of a constitution bench of this court in the case of TMA Pi Foundation and another versus State of Karnataka and others 2002 8 SCC 481 and a bench judgment of the High Court of Kerala in the case of Social SG of SSC Sisters versus KSEB 1988 1 KLT 1727. The first court decided the issue in favor of the commission inter alia on the following reasoning. But I note that there is no pleading whatsoever for the petitioners about the government order. There is no case in the writ petitions based on the order. Further, the higher secondary schools are attached to schools having standards up to high school section, whereas I have already noted there is no restriction as contained in relation to government and aided schools. Also, what has been fixed is the minimum salary of teachers and others. It appears to be low. What is important is the capability to raise revenue and its ramifications, and not whether any particular self financing educational institutions is actually making use of its power to raise revenue as ordinarily a self financing educational institutions may raise. In appeal by the SFEs, the division bench of the High Court set aside the judgment of the first court. The division bench found that the differentiation was not for any of the grounds specified in section 62(3) of the Electricity Act 2003. That is the provision under which the State Commission can determine the tariff. Section 62 of the 2003 Act specifies the appropriate commission shall determine the tariff in accordance with the provisions of this act for supply of electricity by a generating company to a distribution license, provided that the appropriate commission may, in case of shortage of supply of electricity, fix the minimum and maximum ceiling of tariff for sale or purchase of electricity in pursuance of an agreement entered into between a generating company and a license, or entered into between a generating company and a licensee, or between licensees for a period not exceeding 1 year to ensure reasonable prices of electricity. Stop.